Hello everyone, this is my Sears Model 564.80171 atomic green 12-inch 3-speed oscillating fan. It was made in the early to mid 1970s by Sanyo. It is marked Made in Japan. Its major features are the green transparent blades, the grill medallion with the atomic stylized SR logo, and the switchgear with the gradually darker buttons for the different speeds. We'll now take a look at the side. This fan is very similar to the Lasco and Galaxy fans made during the 1970s, but it's more angular and cleanly styled, especially through the base. We'll now take a look at the back. You can see the similarities to the Lasco made fans in the motor cover. From what I understand, Sanyo is the originator of this style. We'll now go back to the front view to give a demonstration of this fan running. And we'll now go through the speeds. We'll start off on low speed. We'll now go to medium. And we'll now go to high speed. And now off to show coast down. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll have more to come, so stay tuned.